Sit my track.
What would possess a man to take an empty lot and try to build a raceway from scratch?
I just been racing around racing my whole life. I feel like kids today are kind of missing that. I think small town America is where racing started. Yeah, my name is Michael Wedenkamp. This is Daisy Speedway I'm building. We're about 45 minutes outside of Savannah, Georgia. My mother raced, my father raced. I came along in '78, but like right around that time frame, my mom was actually racing cars. And then she got pregnant with me, and then she came back in late '80, '81, and won a good many races. And just trying to build the speedway more up to date with all the technology for video, audio, streaming live. Kind of shaking up the traditional dirt track model. I met Charles. I got his name and information from a couple tracks down in South Georgia. He just came in and laid out the track, gave us some ideas. It's kind of what modeled after Kokomo, Indiana's track, which is a micro midget track. 4 mile on the inside and just under 3/8 on the outside. It's got a 100-foot wide groove at all times. 600cc engines, motorcycle engines, clocking around 115 miles an hour. It's super fast, about the same speed as the big car. You can run 4 different gears here, still win a race. I think when you first go to build any kind of stadium, you're thinking just the grandstands or you're thinking just the bleachers. And I think where Charles brings the value is he has a whole different idea. One of Charles's ideas is to take the storage boxes and use them for a VIP spaces and for the Platinum Lounge on top. They're going to have 4 glass windows in the front. They're going to have air conditioned heat. They're going to have doors in the back and platforms on top. Roughly between 3,000 to 4,000 seats, depending on the size of the person. Technically, the 4,000 seats here is more people that live in the whole county.
How are we tying the boxes together?
I'm going to take angle iron and I'm going to frame that all the way off so that we can go completely across the whole thing. Now, when you cut an opening for a window, I'm going to put it right there.
Charles, he has a whole different idea, a whole different cool factor. You can go to any stadium and sit down, but with him, he has the VIP boxes, the Platinum Lounge, the way it flows. He's just, for us, one of a kind.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, so I would definitely recommend Bleacher Builders.
Sit my track.